Hello and welcome to day 83 of Bedtime Welsh. As you can see, everything's been moved around a little bit here. We're just at the end of a bit of a movie night and just remembered we need to do Bedtime Welsh. So, now we did to understand yesterday. So you might remember that to understand is deall. If you don't, well, that's a quick reminder. Now, can you remember how to say that you don't something? I don't. So can you remember how to say I don't understand?
Dwi ddim yn deall.
Da iawn. Dwi ddim yn deall. Okay, so next up, how about I don't understand the answer?
Dwi ddim yn deall yr ateb.
Dwi ddim yn deall yr ateb. Okay, great. So next up, how about you don't understand?
Ti ddim yn deall.
Please stop your note on a kind of bach. Ti ddim yn deall. If you got that straight away, that's really, really good. Well done. Ti ddim yn deall. How about I don't understand who is in the garden? Can you remember that one? That's a bit of a biggie. I don't understand who is in the garden.
Dwi ddim yn deall pwy sydd yn yr ardd.
Da iawn. Dwi ddim yn deall pwy sydd yn yr ardd. And finally, let's wrap up with an absolute monster for tonight. If you can get any of this right, you're doing brilliantly. When are you going to understand who is in the garden?
Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall pwy sydd yn yr ardd?
Da iawn. Pryd wyt ti'n mynd I ddeall pwy sydd yn yr ardd? Well, that's a monster for you to practice until the next session, and we'll try and remember to have another one for you tomorrow. But until then, hwyl am y tro.
Ta-ra!
Ta-ra!